As of July 2023, Google Analytics 4 is now the primary analytics platform. Your GA4 measurement ID is the unique identifier that connects your website to your analytics property. To locate your measurement ID, start by accessing your Google Analytics 4 property. You'll see the main dashboard with your key metrics and data overview. Next, click on the Admin Gear icon in the bottom left corner. This opens the administration panel where you can manage your property settings. After selecting Data Streams, click on your web data stream. This opens the Stream Details page, where you'll find your measurement ID prominently displayed in the top right corner. Your GA4 measurement ID follows the format GXXXXXXXX and is now ready to be implemented on your website. This unique identifier is what connects your site to your Google Analytics property for data collection. The GA4 tracking tag is implemented using gtag.js, which requires a specific two-script structure to properly collect analytics data from your website. The basic tag structure consists of two essential script elements. The first script loads the gtag.js library asynchronously, while the second script configures GA4 with your specific measurement ID. This tracking code must be placed on every single page of your website, typically in the head section of your HTML. This ensures comprehensive data collection across your entire site. For most businesses, Google Tag Manager is the recommended implementation method. GTM provides better control, easier maintenance, and the ability to manage multiple tracking codes from a single interface. The data flow works seamlessly. Your website sends data to Google Tag Manager, which then processes triggers and variables to fire the appropriate Google Analytics tags, ensuring accurate event tracking. After implementation, always verify that your measurement ID is correctly placed across all website pages. Use GA4's debug view or real-time reports to confirm data is being collected properly from every page of your site.